What's up, class? My name is Rashad. Mr. Johnson, and I'm gonna be showing y'all the steps to solving geometry sequences. Geometry sequences. All right, I'm gonna get straight into it. All right, bet. So the first step of solving geometry sequence, you gotta identify the common ratio. Like you gotta look for a pattern. You know, like 3, 6, 9. Adding by 3. You gotta look for a pattern. All right. Second step, you gotta subtract. Hold up. You gotta subtract 1 from your n. Gotta subtract 1 from your n. Basic. Then you multiply your r by itself n times. Like whatever the one take away n, you gotta subtract. You gotta multiply your r by that number. So see if you got like 7 minus 1. You gotta subtract the 1 from 7. It's gonna be 6. Then whatever your r is, you gotta multiply that by 6. You see what I'm saying? Just trying to get an easy way out. All right, so one example we're gonna have the r as 2. So we're gonna have the n subtracted by 1, 6 times 2. That's 12. That's 12. And then after you multiply your r by your n, which is going to be 12, you multiply that by your a. Yeah. So my first example is going to be, let me get a piece of paper out so y'all gonna fully understand. Got stuff in the back, and yes, that's a left out. If y'all was wondering. And it's a little blurry. I don't know why the MacBook. Yeah. Whatever. Come here, y'all. Almost done. Blank. Alright. So my first example is gonna be I need y'all to take a piece of paper out and write this. Yes. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot. Don't move. Do not move. I'm gonna be right there, classmates. Students. The formula for the geometric sequence is A it's written down, but I just A sub n equals A1 I don't know how to say this. I'm sorry. I don't know how to say this. I'm gonna just have it on a piece of paper so y'all can visually see, because the way I'm trying to say it, I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so it's kind of flipped. So that's a n equals a. My handwriting kind of bad. Excuse the handwriting. So a n equals a1 times r n1. So you gonna always start at the n1. First equation. First geometric sequence. I need you to write this down. So the first a is gonna be a. Eight. Wait, hold on. That look like a 9. Hold up, y'all. Still like a 9, but okay. A 10 right here equals 3 times 2 to the power of 10 minus 1. Look, always minus 1 right here. That's a 1 right. That's 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Yeah, y'all do that. Y'all do that. 10 minus 1 is 9, clearly. And then we have the 9 times 2. We just gonna keep it at that. The 3 is gonna you could bring this down. I'm gonna do it on paper so y'all can see. So equals. Y'all should have this. But you can barely see it, bro. Ooh. God. Let me cut the fan off right quick. Okay, guys. Can y'all see this better? Cause yeah. Y'all can't really see it. Cause it's gonna have to be like this. 3 times 2 to the power 9. Basically. So basically, so after we get this right here, we're gonna do 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is, y'all should see it, 18. So it's gonna be equals 3. 18. 3 to the power 18. Y'all should calculate it. And that's gonna be, I'm gonna use my phone for this because like easier. There. Alright. Quick break. Hold up. Deep breath. Yeah. What is tripping, bro? Keep me alive, dead man. Oh, how the all right. So next, you're gonna wanna after that take away what I said about the 2 times 18, cause like no, you gonna have the three times three times three. I mean 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2, so that's the first one. First turn, I think. Yeah, first turn. Second turn. 6 times 2 gonna be 12. That's the third one. 12 times. I'm gonna just stop saying the last part. So it's gonna be 12 times 24. I mean 12 times 2 24. 24 times 2 equals 48. 48 times 2 equals 96. 96 times 2, 192. 192 times 2, 384. 384 times 2 equals 768. And 768 times 2 equals 1,536. Okay, so the last answer is going to be 1,536. And that's how you saw that one. Alright, so I'm going to do another example. I'm going to guide y'all through another one. And then I got an educate for y'all. It's just 2 questions. I know my first day, so the word. But it's just 2 questions. Let's get back into it. Alright. Second one. My script ought to be long, son. Alright. So I don't really know how to say this. But we're going to write our formula down again. E N equals E times R to the power of N minus 1. Hope y'all hear me. But I'm going to repeat it again. Yes, sir. A-N equals A times R to the power of N minus 1. Let's get back into it. Alright, so we got 12 equals minus 4 times 2 to the power of 12. Take away 1. It's 12 take away 1. Y'all should answer. I ain't gonna say nothing. Alright, so we just gonna put it under negative 4 times 2 to the power of 11. That was the answer if y'all don't really get it. -4 times 2. Alright, we're gonna just -4. We always start with -4. It's the first one. Alright, we got -4. I'm gonna just, since that's 11, I'm gonna just draw 11 lines so I can write the numbers like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 times 2. It's gonna be a negative. It's gonna be a -8. 8 times 2. Gonna be a -16. See, bro, I got this, bro. I'm gonna just get a little assistance because it's not coming off the top of my head. Timetables. Okay. Alright, 16 times 2 is gonna be -32. We on the 4th term right now. 4th term is -2. If you gotta catch up, it's -4, -8, -16, -32. 32 times 2, 64. Well, -64. 64 times 2, -128. 128 times 2, -256. -256 times 2, 512. We're on the 8th turn. I'm gonna start out. I'm a first -4, -8, -16, -32, -64, -128, -256, and -512. 512 times 2. -1024. That times 12. Times 2. I said 12. I'm sorry. That's gonna be -2040. That times 2. Final answer is gonna be -4096. Alright, now it's got the little tool, That's my work. Now I got y'all with these. Hope y'all can see. Screenshot it if you need. I'm proud of myself.